Hate is a tricky thing. It's very deceiving because you can hate someone else for what they actually did to you, and you honestly got a reason to hate them. Say, man, I don't can't stand that person, and it was something that they did to you. But did you know that if you allow someone else to put you in a position so that way you can hate them, it keeps you from growing? Like literally, I didn't seen it in my own life. I've seen it through others' lives, and I realize now that it's better just to say your piece, get that shit off your chest, and let it go, man, and keep living because you are actually turning into the person that you're hating. Think about it. You know what I mean? I'm gonna keep it real with you. I hated my dad. Hated this dude, man. And I seen myself turn into him by being incarcerated, which my dad didn't get incarcerated till later on in life, but when I was young, he wasn't. But I got incarcerated and I was away from my daughter. I spent a lot of time away from her that I can't get back. You know what I mean? When I left the world, she was in her mama's stomach still. When I got out, she was 10 years old. That's some time I can't never, get back. But I did do everything in my power to keep a relationship. Now, is me and my daughter relationship the way it should be today? No, it's not. But she's grown, and I did my part. You know what I mean? And truth be told, we both got faults on both sides, and I'm just at the point where if someone tell me to step off, I'll just step off. Okay, cool. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna push myself on anybody, but I did learn that if I hate someone, all I'm doing is turning into them. I mean, the same thing about you. Just think about it. I know it's somebody in your life that you probably can't stand, and they probably did some messed up stuff, and you probably got a very, very good reason for not liking them. But think about this. You holding this hatred towards this person, it is only diminishing your life. It's only keeping you from growing. It's only keeping you from getting to that next level. And if you do it so long, you're going to eventually turn to the same person you hate. Damn. Ain't that some shit?